Welcome back, everybody. This is Crippler with another walkthrough for the Hack the Box Cyber Apocalypse 2022. This one is Amidst Us. It's an easy challenge in the web category. Went ahead and downloaded the source files already and started it up. When we go to the page, we get something that looks like this. Um, it's just got a upload file up at the top, two icons, and then a color gauge down here, which you got to try to find. There we go. Just gonna set that to like red. And then so we get up here and we're able to do a file upload. So I'm gonna want to capture that, which I already did. So we get this massive text. I probably should have picked a smaller picture. But we just get a post request. Looks pretty normal. We're sending image and background, which the image is base64 encoded. And then, yeah, you have this background, which is a list with 3 integers in it. So let's go ahead and look at the Docker image really quick. So we'll see we're looking for /flag.txt. They have created this www user, and that's going to be who we are going to be running as. It's using Flask. We're doing the requirements.txt. And then it's just using supervisor and exposing 1337. If we come and we look at the requirements.txt it's using, we'll see that it's using pillow 840. But let's see how we're using it. So if we come into the main, we'll see that it's just got the root and then API. Those are the only two that it allows. If we look at the blueprints, we'll see that we have this alpha phi, and it's using the util make alpha, which is down here, and it's using this make alpha with the JSON data that we receive. So we come in here and we look, we're receiving the data, it's expecting JSON, and so we're setting color to this background variable, or the list that we receive, and then we come down and it's getting the image math eval function, and it is just basically taking our input from color and dropping it right in there. So if we look online, there is Sneak was the one I looked at. There's a arbitrary code execution on pillow package under 9. And it's directly calling this image math eval, and it's saying that we can use Python exec to get code execution. So I went ahead and crafted a payload. You can actually see, well, you can basically just create your own Python exec reverse shell. So what I'm using is we're creating a string. So we got our double quotes. We're using exec. We're escaping these double quotes because I'm using single quotes on the inside. And we're importing OS using system. The box is BusyBox. This worked initially, and I had some trouble getting Netcat to work because it's BusyBox, and you have to have that -e at the end. But yeah, so I'm just have my ngrok set up with a listener. I'm ready to go. So I'm just gonna take that. Oops, if I copy it. And we're just going to drop it into one of these background spots on the list. I'm just using the last index. It shouldn't really matter looking at it which one it is. Paste that in there. For some reason my burp suite is running terribly slow. It looks good, so I'm just going to send it, and we should get a hit over here. There we go. So ID, we're www. We can ls the root drive. We can see that, and we can cat flag.txt. We have our flag. So pretty easy. basically just a terrible Python vulnerability. And yeah, that's why code reviews are helpful, and also updating your modules. All right, have a good night.